General Subramani took charge as India's new Chief of Defence Staff on Sunday, succeeding General Anil Chauhan, who completed his tenure as the country's senior-most military commander on Saturday. Widely regarded as an expert on Pakistan and China, General Subramani previously served as military advisor at the National Security Council Secretariat and retired as Vice Chief of Army Staff on July 31, 2025. He assumes office with a mandate to implement the military theatreization plan and strengthen synergy among the Army, Navy and Air Force. Soon after taking charge, he said that transforming the armed forces, enhancing tri-services integration and implementing organizational reforms would be his key priorities. He also stressed the need to accelerate the development, induction and integration of indigenous weapon systems to strengthen India's defense capabilities. General Subramani reaffirmed the armed forces' commitment to safeguarding India's sovereignty, territorial integrity and national interest. As CDS, one of his most important responsibilities will be implementing the military theatreization plan through the establishment of integrated military commands to improve coordination and operational efficiency among the three services. With more than 40 years of military experience, General Subramani has held several command, staff and instructional appointments and is widely regarded as an expert on Pakistan and China. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.